What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to delete apps on your TCL Roku TV. Now first things first, for this to work, your TCL Roku TV has to be connected to the internet. And once that is done, from the home of the Roku TV, you want to scroll over to the right hand side where you have all of the apps on your TV. And to delete or uninstall any of these apps, you want to highlight that particular app. Take for instance, the YouTube Kids app over here. And then on your TCL Roku TV remote, you want to go ahead and press on this asterisk button over here. You can literally see the button over here, so I'll just go ahead and tap on it once and it's just going to load, then give you some options you can actually do on that particular application. Now to remove or delete this particular application, we'll just scroll down and click on the remove application option over here. Now click on remove by scrolling over to the top, click on remove, and then automatically this particular app will be deleted from our TCL Roku TV. Now basically that is how to uninstall and delete apps on your TCL Roku TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.